Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. You have here a question number 13 of exercise questions from chapter 11 sound. It is there in page number 139. Here the question is, you can see it is question number 13. A sound wave travels at a speed of 339 meter per second, and if its wavelength is 1.5 centimeter, what is the frequency of the wave? Will it be audible? That is a question for us. So we are having the previous knowledge that the sound which is audible to human ears, it should be having a range of frequency that is from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. So if our answer of frequency comes between these two values, then we will consider that the sound is audible. So here we need to find the frequency. Wavelength is given as 1.5 centimeter. We need to convert this centimeter into meter. So we know that in 1 meter it is 100 centimeter. So for conversion of centimeter to meter, so 1.5 is multiplied with 1 upon 100. So this value will be in meter. So it is 1.5 multiplied with 10 power minus 2 meter. The third thing is that what about the speed of sound? The speed of sound is given as 339 meter per second. Let's have the relation between frequency, speed and wavelength of sound. So nu is equal to speed of sound divided by wavelength. This symbol is called lambda. Now here we will solve. We need to find frequency. So this formula will be utilized as usual. Speed is given as 339 meter per second, and your wavelength is given as 1.5 multiplied with 10 power minus 2 meter. So this meter and meter will get cancelled. It can be written as 339 divided by 1.5, and this 10 power minus 2 will goes up, so it will be 10 power 2, that is 100. And if I remove this decimal, again it will be 10 here, and it will be down. I will write on the unit also, so it will be cycle per second. Now we need to solve this one. 3 5 ja 15, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, and 3 3 ja 9. Now what I will do, I will divide this 113 by 5 on somewhere here. You can see 113 divided by 5, 5 2 ja 10, so it will be 13, 5 2 ja 10, it will be 3, now point 0, 5 6 ja 30, so it will be 22.6 multiply with 10 power 3 cycle per second. So this will be the final result. I can just simplify this one. It will be 2 to 6 divided by 10 multiply with 1000. So this 0 and 0 will cancel. So it will be 22600 cycle per second. So it will be the frequency. It is 22,600 hertz. So if it is 22,600 hertz, it doesn't come in the range between 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. If it doesn't come, definitely I will say it is inaudible sound. The sound is inaudible to human ears because the range exists between 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz only, which is audible to human ears. And if it is more than 20,000 hertz, it is inaudible sound, or if it is less than 20 hertz, it is also inaudible sound. So this is how we will solve this question number 13. Hope you will understand about this.